Assalamu alaikum, dear children. Class 6th, subject science. Today's topic is water and the date is 29 August 2020. Before moving on, let's understand these terms a little bit. Here our first term is evaporation. The word evaporation can be defined as the process of converting water into water vapors. In other words, we can say that the process of changing water into water vapor is known as evaporation. We can give an example of steam rising from wet clothes while they are ironed. Our second term today is condensation. The process of changing water vapors into water is known as condensation. We can give an example of when the water drops appear on the outer surface of a glass containing cold water. That is an example of condensation. The third term today is water cycle. Water cycle is the evaporation of water and the formation of clouds by condensation and finally falling of rain on the earth. This whole constitutes the water cycle. This water cycle keeps going on. And our fourth term today is rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting is one of the simplest and the oldest methods of collecting rain, or we can say the storage of rainwater in India. The collection of rainwater for later use when it is not available is known as rainwater harvesting. The rainwater is used for many purposes. It can be used for drinking, it can be used for the irrigation, water for the livestock. This water is also good for plants. It reduces flooding and erosion, and there are many other uses of this rainwater harvesting.